Okay, so welcome again to Judge's Crown. We have a question on the board. Rearrange in descending order these numbers. We have 1, -5, 3, 4, and -2. Now, before I continue, let's explain what is the meaning of descending. Descending means from up to down, from the highest to the lowest. Okay, that's descending order, descending from the highest, from the biggest to the smallest. And then secondly, let me also let you know that there's a difference between -5 and 5. -5 is not the same thing as 5. -2 is the same thing as 2. They are different. So we have -5 on the board, and then we have -2. So in these numbers, what's the biggest number there? Obviously, it will be a positive number, and that will be 4. So 4 is the biggest. Remember, I said descending is from the biggest to the smallest. So 4 in this among these numbers is the biggest. So we start. So let's arrange these numbers now. So 4 is the biggest, so you write a 4, followed by what? By 3. 3 is the next in line, and then followed by what? -1. -1, you have -2, then you have -5. Don't be surprised, -1 is greater than -5. Okay? However, 5 is greater than 1. So don't be surprised that -1 here is coming before -2. It's correct because this is negative sign. -2 is greater than -5. But 5 is greater than 2. So in descending order, -1 comes first before -2, then lastly -5. Thank you so much.